Adar? What happened on the 9th of Adar again? If you find yourself asking that question, you're not alone. As a matter of fact, no one has ever studied about what happened on the 9th of Adar. So on the 9th of Adar, we commemorate the day on which the initially peaceful and constructive conflict, what was known as a machloket l'shem shamayim, disputes for the sake of heaven, between Beit Hillel and Beit Shammai, the two great schools of thought, approximately 2,000 years ago, erupted into a violent and destructive conflict over 18 legal matters, ultimately resulting, according to some sources, in the death of 3,000 students. Now, the day was later declared a fast day, and it can be found in just about every single rabbinic book, but it was never commemorated as such. So our center, the Pardes Center for Judaism and Conflict Resolution, together with our organizational partners from around the world, across religious and political divides, chose to turn this day into the International Jewish Day of Constructive Conflict, or in Hebrew we're calling it Yom Machloket L'Shem Shamayim. And the idea is that these texts and values and theories of Machloket L'Shem Shamayim, of constructive conflict, become core to our culture, identity, and practice. So to that end, we designed 18 ways in which you or your organization can participate, ranging from fasting from destructive speech, or even eating foods that inspire us to engage more mindfully in constructive conflict, to studying texts that we can learn about what does it mean about to engage in machloket l'shem shamayim, disputes for the sake of heaven, and finally practicing constructive conflict, whether it be in our interpersonal relationships, family, community, intergroup conflict. So I want to invite you to join us and organizations around the world in trying to fulfill the prophecy about this day and other days like it, that it should be turned in the future from a day of mourning and sorrow into a day of happiness and rejoicing. Thank you.